Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Welcome to yet another video. So the topic is analysis paralysis. So what is analysis paralysis? So there are so many analysis in the stock market. You have been in the stock market, you must be knowing people are behind astrology, people are behind open interest, market profile, that MACD, that divergence, this divergence, and there are so many type of analysis. But let me know if any of the analysis is working to you, so that we will also be testing that and trying to explore new types of things to be in the market or be profitable in the market. So what is analysis paralysis? Analysis paralysis describes an individual or a group process when over analyzing or overthinking a situation can cause forward motion or decision making to become paralyzed, meaning that no solution or course of action is decided upon. So that is called analysis paralysis, right? So I thought we will, this is a very interesting topic that I was going through today morning. So yeah, you know, right? Because we are doing so much of analysis, we are telling, we are talking about super sophisticated terms here, but nothing is happening. And that's what has happened last week also. We were bearish and market is turned into bullish and we paid the price, right? So I was thinking why there is so much of analysis and so much of things, but nothing is like, it seems like nothing is working to me. What is working to me is all these years, whenever things go out of control, I am trying to manage those things, and that is what is working to me. If some type of analysis is working to you, just please let us know so that we will also try those analysis. See, I have been telling so many things about option trading. I have shared my ideas in this platform, so it's not a problem. You should also share your ideas or share your thinking with us, right? So that we win, we both win, right? That is what we are thinking. So let's go to the market. So what the market is saying today, RBI came out with a neutral stance. They are not going to increase the interest rate, so that is also good. But at the same time, you can see that inflation worldwide is going on the upper side, and that is not a good reason, and that is what people tell. I am not telling. The media is telling that inflation is on the upper side, and in fact many countries have increased their interest rate, and India is still holding to the interest rate, super easy interest rate, and I don't think they are going to take it for a very long time. And Friday today evening, US labor department is going to come out with this labor data, which is also going to be a interesting and good data which US market is following. And as of now, US futures are flat, and even SGX Nifty is also in the flat, mildly in the red, around down by around point. It's very flat, I think. That's what I think. And market was very jittery, and market was very flat today. It was kind of consolidating, and I did a bank Nifty position. I took a strangle in Nifty, and that worked very well. At the end of the day, I took it in the entered a strangle today morning, and at the end of the day, it was in a profit of 2k. But I really don't know what is going to happen on Monday. Things can change and things can go on the opposite direction. But what I feel is that 15,900, 16,000 level, this level has been tested more than 7 or 8 times. And I've been telling that 15,900, 15,000, 16,000 has been hit 7 or 8 times or 9 times. And I tell whenever that 15,900 is hit, it is going to be a stronger resistance. And what has happened in the last few days is when it is, I think, almost 8th or 9th time that 15,900 was hit, but it was taken out, and it is beyond 16,000. So now what I feel is that 16,000 should be a good support. That's what I am thinking. So market shouldn't be going below 16,000, but it depends on various other factors like global cues. We have to get support from US market and Asian markets also. And Asian, when we are talking about Asian market, you can see that Asian markets were all also very neutral today. There was not much happening in the Asian market, and we were also in the flat. Let's see what happens in the future. I think 16,000 should be a good support as of now. And if you see the open interest data, there are more number of calls written in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. People are writing 16,400 call option, and yeah, from 16,300 to 16,400 there are call ratings happen today. And if you see in the historically for 12th August expiry, the highest open interest is at around 16,300, and on the call side 16,200, 16,000 can be regarded as a good support. That's what we were talking about, right? So 16,000 should be a good support. So market are going to be range bound, or I think we are going to expire between 16,000 to 16,300 on 12th August. And if you see the weekly Bank Nifty chart, there were good amount of call rating at 36,000. So people think 36,000 is going to be a good resistance. They have written a good significant amount of calls in 36,000. And if you see the historical chart, 36,000 is having the highest open interest, around 1.5 million of open interest in weekly chart, right? So let us see the FII data. I don't think FII data would have come now. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, as of now it has not come, and let's see if things are favorable to us. I don't think so, because what in 2 days, in first from 3rd August and 4th August, what FIS have done is they have bought in a range of around 5,000 crores, but DIs have sold at around of 700 or 800 crores. But yesterday they have sold for 720 crores, and DIs have bought for around 732 crores. Going forward, I really don't know what they are going to do. Maybe they will sell, or if they start buying, we are going to see a new lifetime high. That's what I feel. So you let me know what you think, and we'll see how things pan out. And I think that's it for today. You have a happy weekend. Enjoy the weekend. Take care. Bye.